Hi Donna. Here is how you combine files. You open up your Adobe Acrobat, click Tools, then click Combine Files, then click Add Files. Then you go and select the file that you want. I call my file the Swish folder. I open it up, and then let's say I want to combine Sophie Aguirre's Notice and Consent. Open that. Then I go to Add Files, click Add Files, go to Sophie Aguirre FIE, open that. So here I have the consent and the notice of proposal to evaluate, and here I have the FIE. Now I go over, click on Combine Files, and there it is combined.